Hello there, my video. I'm going to show you about the car, what no other car has that prevent people from locking stuff out. And this is when you open the door. And this is if you want to try to lock a door. You cannot lock the door. You only lock the door with a key. And this is where you put a key. And this is locked. And that car on a Prius, you can actually lock it out. This is what happens. See? It does. And this one, it doesn't. Good car, good Fiat, no locksmith emergency going on whatsoever in this car. Very good car. Same thing on the right side. I can't lock it. Door's closed. You can lock it. You have to have a key to lock the door if you want to. Same thing. And just like a driver's door. It does. And there is a problem. Locksmithing of many Toyotas, Lexus, a lot of other cars. Except Polish cars does not lock themselves out. The passenger side on this car, you can lock it from the passenger, but drivers, no. See, this can. And this can, on the other side, just... Okay. Alright, thanks for watching.